Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Sabado, September 14, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 13 and 28 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 7, 3, and 2 in exact order. Sa 6D Lotto, ang winning numbers ay 8, 6, 7, 5, 2, and 2 in exact order. The estimated first prize of 5.3 million. At ito naman po ang breakdown ng 6D Lotto with their corresponding prizes. Sa Lotto 642, ang winning numbers ay 26, 15, 29, 9, 38, and 25 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 12,530,792 pesos and 60 centavos. Sa Grand Lotto 655, ang winning numbers ay 21, 34, 26, 6, 44, and 27 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 29,700,000 pesos. Abangan natin bukas ang Super Lotto 649 na may estimated jackpot of 49 million. At ang Ultra Lotto 658 na may estimated jackpot of 161 million. Schedule ng Lotto draws ngayong linggo. Easy 2 Lotto, Suertres Lotto, Super Lotto 649 at ang Ultra Lotto 658. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.